Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Samsung Voice Recorder. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to just continue, click on while using the app, tap on yes I agree, and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by clicking on this left one, typing wherever you wish to, or not at all, and either way, choosing OK. You can save your recording and end it by tapping on this right button over here and choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can rename it by clicking on those three dots over here, tapping rename, typing wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and choosing OK. You can also delete it by holding it, tapping on this pin icon at the top right corner and choosing delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!